What's up, YouTube? This is Snips1317. I was just gonna do a quick unboxing video today because I got some new figurines. Alright, so I've got Shoyo and Tobio from Haikyuu, the anime, and I've already taken out Shoyo just to kind of see how easy it would be, I guess, to put them together. And so here's his box right here. So it's pretty simple, just for about 3 pieces: the body, his head, and the base, and that was pretty much it. So that's exactly what I'm expecting when I open up Tobio. So I'm gonna put him together too. In addition, I also have Saitama from One Punch, so we'll see how simple he is too. I've got more figurines upstairs, all of varying difficulty putting together, but these so far have been the most simple to do. Alright, so we're gonna unbox Tobio and take him out. Alright, so, yep, pretty simple. Same as Shoyo, just a head, body, and a base. So let's put them together. So yeah, pretty simple. Just gonna put in his head and stick him on the base. Alright, cool. So we've got these two all put together. Now we're gonna work on Saitama. Let's get him out of this box. Not sure if he'll be more difficult or he'll be easy to put together too. Might not even have to do any work for him either. So let's see what we got. Alright, so different base. Alright, yeah. So just like the Haikyuu characters, he also is pretty simple to put together. The only difference is he actually has the addition of a cape, so I guess that's one extra piece. So take him out, lying down. Extra piece in here. Sure. Guess this is keep him stable. Alright. Put his head on. And his cape. I had to take his head off. Put the cape on first. Alright, cool. just to hold his leg up or something. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, these are my 3 newest ones. I also just bought a Kylo Ren figurine as well, and I already have that one put together and in my display case. So I'm going to go upstairs and we're going to check out both of the display cases that I have upstairs, and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so for my display case upstairs, I already have Hot Girl, and there's the Kylo Ren from Force Awakens. I also have Baby Groot, and I also have a Wolf-Link, amiibo with Midna on it in the back. And for the second row, I actually have Gandalf and Link. So, moving on. Down here on the third shelf, I have a Trigun character, and I also have the Joker from Batman, and I have the Arkham Knight. And the last row down here, last shelf, I actually have Gotenks, Goku, Vegito, and Trunks. So that's like my Dragon Ball Z shelf specific. And over here, this actually isn't my display case. This is actually my husband's display case. Therefore, that's why there's all girls, I guess. So for his, he only has 4. So he has Saber from Fate Stay Night. And he's got Asada Shino from Sword Art Online 2. And down here, he actually has Captain Phasma from The Force Awakens and Harley Quinn from Arkham Asylum. So, right now, there's not any cons going on, so after those come into town, or we go out of town, I'll probably pick up some more and then upload more figurines. Alright guys, check you later.